Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons.
Convenient pop? Come on, bro. No? Did it scare him?
A motorcycle blitzes down the highway like it's auditioning for Top Gun, Asphalt Edition. But the police weren't buying it.
There we go. Yeah. I'm gonna mute that and put it on Reddit.
Oh, he just
A
lost the
slammed
wheel.
pickup sheds a tire behind a strip mall. Passengers chase it. A cop behind flips the lights before it rolls too far. Smashes a storefront like it's a smash and grab tutorial, only to find out the cops were already on the guest list. Blows past a stopped school bus with lights flashing. Because why not break the most sacred traffic law in full view of a cop? The ticket practically wrote itself.
Stupid.
What a loser. Like, what are you doing? You can't come this way.
Lexus cuts across a solid white like it's optional, right in front of a cop directing traffic. That pause before the siren? Pure disappointment. Moments like this are exactly why you need a dash cam. If yours isn't rolling, you're missing the best part. Justice on playback. Check the links below for our top ski left and ends up T-boning another car right in front of a parked police cruiser. No need for dash cams this time. The cop had front row seats. This genius tries to block a legal lane-splitting biker, only to get caught red-handed by the sheriff cruising right behind him. Perfect timing, terrible decision. Blast through lanes like he's in a rush to get pulled over. Lucky for him, the cops were already front row. When the lights go out, so does common sense, until one driver blasts through and a cop lights them up like it's Christmas. A BMW slows for a police cruiser with sirens on, only to get rear-ended by a truck that missed the memo. Cop keeps going, the BMW doesn't. Blazing past traffic like he's late for his arrest. Unfortunately for him, cops were happy to help with directions. Classic move, turn the wrong way straight into a police car. Because who needs maps when you got impeccable timing? Tries to sneak past a long line like it's VIP access. Gets greeted by the Traffic Police Welcome Committee instead. This wannabe race car driver weaves through traffic like he's in a video.
Mother. Mother. Man.
Can you read? Draco Malfoy laughed. Yes, I can. His fingers clenched tightly around his wand.
I-278 west for 2 miles.
Oh my God!
What in the fuck?